Had a pretty good week this week. The cement board got put in the shower, and you can see the membrane is down on the floor of the shower. All the plumbing for the tub and shower have been completed, and the shower niche has been installed. Inside the niche, that's the actual drain that will be installed. There's just a temporary drain cover here just to make sure nothing falls down there. The floors have been prepped and are ready for tile. The tile has arrived. Let's see, the drywall has been patched where it needs to be patched. And so tomorrow, which is Saturday, the contractor will come in and he will put the cement in the bottom of the shower pan here and get that sloped towards the drain, and then he's going to work his way out of the room, setting floor tile back towards the door. And he said he's not going to put the grout in for some time. He just wants to get the tile installed. He doesn't want the grout to get dirty or anything, and so that will come later. So after the floor tile is in, I believe the next step is to begin on the shower tile and the tile that's going to go around behind the bathtub. So got off to a little bit of a slow start this week, but he ended up getting a good bit accomplished, and we're wrapping up week 3, which he had a very optimistic timeline. He thought he could finish the whole thing in 3 weeks, which I thought was unrealistic to begin with. And so got a few more good days of work that he'll get done, and then he's going to be leaving on vacation. And so I'm not exactly sure how long his cruise is, but things are going to kind of come to a stop here for a week or two. And when he gets back, hopefully he'll be able to wrap things up, and we're shooting for having everything done by the end of March. We'll see how that goes. Let's see, ran into a little bit of a snag. We wanted to use some glass shelves in the shower niche, and the local glass folks that are going to do the shower surround quoted us a ridiculous price and turnaround time on 2 glass shelves 12 inches by 3 inches. And so I went online and ordered those yesterday, and those should be here in about 5 days. So we try to do as much as we can with local vendors, but every now and then somebody just is uncooperative and forces us to go online. So I hate to do that, but you got to do what you got to do. I almost forgot to mention the old heat, vent, light, and night light was removed. The place where the old one used to be, which was kind of to the left of this one, has been patched, and this one has been installed where it will be centered in the space outside the shower. The old one, had we left it where it was going to be partially in the shower and partially out, and that was undesirable, and that unit was 20 years old, so the new one has been installed. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Come back next week, and I hope to have some more progress for you.